Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming account access and making sure your email or phone can receive messages. This matters because Instagram uses those channels for data requests. Once done, open the Instagram app or log in on desktop and update to the latest version to avoid API limits. Make sure two-factor is set or temporarily disabled per step instructions so you can request data without getting locked out. Now go to Settings to start the official data download process. This is the first actionable move. You now request your Instagram data file, which contains message history. This is how deleted chats can sometimes be restored. First, navigate to Settings, then Privacy, and tap Download Data, enter your active email, and request the file. Instagram compiles a package and emails a secure link. Keep that request confirmation or ID for troubleshooting. Once the email arrives, download the ZIP to a trusted device. Be patient. Processing can take hours to 48 hours, so do not repeat the request immediately. You finish by extracting the downloaded ZIP and locating messages. JSON or the inbox folder. This contains conversation threads in readable form. Open the file with a text editor and search by username, message text, or timestamp to locate the deleted chat. Then copy relevant content if you need to save or re-import notes. If chats are absent, make sure you requested the correct account and check archived folders. If still missing, contact Instagram support with your request ID for escalation. That's the main troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.